Good morning, students. It is Wednesday, April 7, 2021. We're going to continue with our reading lesson for today. Yesterday we read the title, we read the first sentence. Today we're going to add in the second sentence to our story. We will break apart our words, blend them back together, and make the sentence so that way we get that skill down. Now, the cursor is moving on to the screen. We're going to read our title first, and then we're going to read this first sentence, and then we're going to add in this second sentence here, okay? Now, let's review the title. Let's come to this screen. I want everyone to repeat after me, okay? Let's read the title together. Here we go. The Frog on the Log. Let's read the title again. Here we go. The Frog on the Log. Let's read it again. Here we go. The Frog on the Log. Now, you're going to read the title now. Ready? Follow the cursor. When the cursor lands on the word, you say the word. Ready? Go. Okay, let's come here to this second line. Read the title again. Ready? Go. Let's read the next title. Ready? You're going to read it again. Go. Let's come to this next line, okay? You're going to read it again. Ready? Go. Last line. Read the title again. Ready? Go. Good job. So you read the title now up here. Read the title now. Ready? Go. Now, let's read it together with me. I'm going to read it. Here we go. The frog on the log. Okay? And if you look at this picture here, there's a frog right here. And the frog is on the log. Okay? Now, let's review this first sentence. Okay? Here we go now. Let's come to this slide. Now, read this first sentence with me, and then you're going to read it by yourself. Here we go. I see a frog on a log. Let's read it again. I see a frog on a log. Let's read it again. Here we go. I see a frog on a log. Now, let's come here to this first line. You're going to read it by yourself, okay? Ready? When the cursor lands on the word, you read the word. Ready? Go. Next line. Ready? Go. Next line. Ready? Go. Read it again. Ready? Next line. Go. Next line. Ready? Go. Next line. Read it again. Go. Last line. Read it again. Go. Good job. Now let's come back here to this slide, okay? You're going to read this first sentence again. Ready? Go. Good job. Now let's come up here to the title. You're going to read the title and the first sentence now. Put them together. Ready? Okay? Go. Read the first sentence now. Ready? Go. Good job. Now we're going to add in this next sentence here, okay? Keep looking at your screen and pay attention. Let's read it here, okay? Let's come here to this line. Okay, let's read this sentence together, okay? And then we'll break it apart and blend the sounds back together, okay? Read it with me. The frog likes to sit on the log. Let's read it again. Ready? Repeat after me. Then you're going to read it. The frog likes to sit on the log. Let's read it again. Ready? Here we go. The frog likes to sit on the log. Now you're going to read it. Ready? When the cursor moves onto the word, you're going to read the word, okay? Ready? Go. Next line. 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 We're almost done. Read it again. Go. Last line. Ready? Read. Go. Good job. Now let's come back to this slide right here, okay? Now, you're going to add in this sentence here, which you just read, okay? Read this sentence. Ready? Go. Good job, okay? Now, you're going to start up here, and then you're going to end here when we come back to this slide, okay? Now, we're going to break apart this sentence, okay? We're going to break it apart, and we're going to put the words back together. The sentence is right here again, okay? But we're going to break it apart first. Let's read it one time. Read it with me. The frog likes to sit on the log. Now let's come here to this first word, okay? This word here should look very familiar to you now. You're going to see this word in a lot of stories. Repeat after me. The. Let's sound it out together. The E. Your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. What's the word? What's the word again? The. Okay? The. Now let's come here. Ready, boys and girls? Say frog. Frog. Let's sound it out together. Og. Your turn to sound it out now. Ready? Go. What's the word? What's the word again? Frog. Now let's read from here. The frog. Now let's add in this next word. Boys and girls say likes. Likes. Now let's break it apart. Repeat after me. Likes. Let's sound it out again. Likes. Your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Go. Now, what's the word? What's the word again? Likes. Now, let's read from here. Here we go. The frog likes. Okay, now let's come to this next word. This next word should look familiar to you now too, alright? Here we go. Boys and girls say two. Two. Let's sound it out together. Ta-oo. Let's sound it out again. T-oo. Now your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Ready? Go. Now, what's the word? What's the word again? Two. So let's start up here. Let's read together. Here we go. The frog likes to. Now let's come here. Let's sound out this word together. Ready? Boys and girls say sit. Okay, so we'll start here again at this word, sit. Okay? Boys and girls say sit. Sit. Now let's sound it out together. Here we go. It. Let's sound it out again. It. One more time. Let's sound it out together. It. Now your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Ready? Go. One more time. Sound out the word. Go. What's the word? What's the word again? Sit. Sit. Let's read it from the top again. Here we go. The frog likes to sit. Now, let's do this next word. Ready? Boys and girls say on. On. Now, let's sound out the word together. Here we go. On. Let's sound it out again. On. Your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Let's sound it out again. Ready? Go. One more time. Sound out the word. Now, what's the word, boys and girls? What's the word again? On. On. Now let's read from the top here again. Here we go. The frog likes to sit on. Now, let's do this word. This word should look familiar to you again, so let's go through this at a faster pace. The. Sound it out now. Ready? Go. What's the word? What's the word again? The. Now let's read it from the top again. Here we go. The frog likes to sit on the. Now let's come right here. Let's sound it out together. Ready? Here we go. Boys and girls say log. Log. Now let's sound it out. Log. Let's sound it out again. Log. One more time. Let's sound it out together. Log. Your turn to sound it out. Ready? Go. Sound it out again. Now, what's the word? What's the word again? Now, let's read from the top. Here we go. The frog likes to sit on the log. Now, boys and girls, I want you to read the sentence now up here by yourself. Ready? Go. Good job. Now let's come back up here to the story, okay? Let's come to this slide. We read this sentence now right here, this second one. You're going to read it now by yourself. Ready? Go. Good job. Ready? Now, boys and girls, you're going to read the title. You're going to read the first and second sentence now. You're going to read it by yourself. Follow the cursor. Ready? Go. Now, read the first sentence. Ready? Go. Now, read the second sentence. Ready? Go. Good job. Now you're going to read it with me, okay? Read it with me. Here we go. The frog on the log. I see a frog on a log. The frog likes to sit on the log. Okay, good job. Now, get out a paper and pencil. Once you get out your paper and pencil, here's your reading homework for today. I want you to copy this down onto your paper. Reading homework. And then you're going to copy down number 1, this question. Now, boys and girls, I want you to try and read this question yourself. Break it apart, your letter sounds, bring them back together and say the sentence just like how we did in our story. You're going to give me your answer right here on this line on your paper. Once you are done, you're going to come here to number 2. I want you to copy this entire sentence for number 2, and I want you to draw me what it's telling you to draw, okay? Break apart your letter sounds also for this one. Bring them back together and try to read the sentence yourself. Now, go ahead and continue on with your homework. When you're done with it, make sure you put it in a folder because you are going to submit that on Friday. Now go ahead and pause the video right here because I'm going to log off here in a bit.